Okay, here's the deaerator in the plant. Deaerator's storage tank's right here. Here's the deaerator. Big thing to worry about is your level. 67 inches you trip one feed pump, and 64 inches you trip the other feed pump. So you come offline. You have a drain valve that goes back to the surface condenser. This is used for startup or shutdown. Open this about 40-50%. We have a pegging steam valve. Sock steam going up here to heat up the deaerator for startup. This comes off the auxiliary boiler. Right now we have 33 pounds pressure on it, 271 degrees. Plant load is 497 megawatts. There's not really a lot to a deaerator. You got a high level and low level. The plant chemistry shows the deaerator 16 parts per billion oxygen coming in and about 3.9 ppb coming out. So it's doing a pretty good job. Specific conductivity is 3 micromos coming in. The deaerator uses low pressure turbine exhaust. Extracted off stage is 16. You got your motor operated valves. These are for high level. These will close to prevent water induction into the steam turbine. 2 sets of BTVs, bleeder trip valves. There's a tremendous amount of energy in the deaerator, so you don't want this flashing to steam going back and driving your steam turbine to failure. It shows the pegging steam coming to one of the steam lines. As you can see, there's really not a lot to deaerators in the plant. They're kind of a neglected piece of equipment, but you can do a lot of damage to them, and it's something that can cause a catastrophic failure. Aux steam. You have your auxiliary boiler, it feeds. You have your intermediate superheat. This is for startup. Steam about 2400 psi right now coming in for pressure reducing station. Feeds your aux steam headers, run about 210 psi. This is the cold reheat. Comes off the cold reheat. It's dropped down to about 210 pounds. You have your deaerator pegging steam, gland steam, steam clean heater, fan room air heat exchanger. This just heats up the air coming in so you don't do damage to your air preheaters by condensing moisture and acids on it. So you can see the deaerator, it's kind of an unglamorous thing, but it can do a lot of damage. It kind of gets forgot about a lot in plants. But like our whiteboard showed, you lose steam flow and you shoot water in here. It's going to condense all this steam and it could do some damage. So big thing, you don't ever want to fill these with steam, then hit them with water. You want water on and then slowly open the steam to warm them up, clean up the water. And shutdowns, this type of boiler, you probably need to get it offline, feed water kind of quick. But there's enough residual heat coming in from the boiler and stuff to run just for a while. And that's about it for the deaerator.